Today we are diving into a crucial topic that affects many of us living in hurricane-prone communities. It's hurricane preparedness. Stand by, y'all. So hurricanes are powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters, bringing strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges. They can cause significant damages, so preparedness is key. So the first step in hurricane preparedness is to create a hurricane plan, which includes becoming familiar with evacuation routes and shelters. It is also imperative that you create a family communication plan. You may want to consider choosing a point of contact outside of the hurricane warning area that everyone can reach. Creating or identifying a safe place to meet your loved ones if separated during a hurricane or after is also essential. It is extremely important to stay informed throughout the duration of the hurricane. You may want to ensure that you have a way to monitor local weather alerts, so acquiring a weather radio is encouraged. It is highly advised that you gather essential emergency supplies, like non-perishable food that will last at least 72 hours. However, prepping more is highly recommended. You should also prepare to store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. However, storing more should be considered. Flashlights and extra batteries, first aid kits, medications, cash, and important documents should be secured in waterproof containers. If you are a pet owner, part of your hurricane preparation should include storing pet supplies like food, water, and medications. Another component of hurricane preparedness is ensuring that all of your vehicles are fueled and that you have fuel in reserve. Make sure to check your supplies at least once a year to replace expired items. Whether you're sheltered in place or evacuating, you should ensure that your home is secure. Installing storm shutters or boarding up your windows to protect against flying debris should be considered. To assist with flood prevention, you should ensure that your home's gutters are clear of debris. Trimming trees and shrubs to prevent broken branches should be considered. Securing or removing outdoor furniture to prevent it from becoming a projectile is also a consideration. If you have a generator, you should ensure that it is in good working order prior to a hurricane warning being issued. During the hurricane, you should stay indoors and away from windows and monitor the local news for updates. After the hurricane, be cautious of hazards like downed power lines, displaced wild animals, and flooding.